Hi guys, this is Jasmine and
Olivia.
and we are going to be trying British candy. A bag of British candy. So first I'm going to do a lucky dip. I got these jelly beans. And if you do your lucky dip. A million baht. Can we share them? Yeah, first we're going to do this and then we're going to do that. So then we're going to try the jelly beans first, and it's jumping with juice and it's Bobby's jelly beans. Ow. We're going to tip them on the table. Hoping none of them go. Oh, it looks like a bean boozle challenge. To be honest, brown, purple, great, probably. Yeah. Jeez, which idea was that? On the back it says what flavours they are, so yeah. Okay, should we do a challenge and guess what flavour they are? And I'll read it out, so you go first. Let me see the colour.
Oh, that's so different. Oh, bless him.
Coke. Yeah.
Oh.
Right to now, I'm just going to choose the orange one. Peach. Yeah.
Oh.
Look, on the back it says all the flavours. Just that. Don't think my camera will focus. Okay. Hey, it's not focusing. Yeah. Okay. Guys,
Great.
Yes. Guys, I'm going to do something horrible. No one else can try these flavors. I'm going to try all the flavors together because I'm a maniac and I'm an idiot. Peach, Coke. All the flavors. And I'm just going to shove them in my bowl. Blue, and purple. I don't like purple. Try it with all of them. Can you taste the purple? Purple, can't taste it.
And a very plausible iPhone scam that I almost fell for myself, actually. More of us are being bombarded by scams than ever before.
I give this 10 stars out of 20. 10. No, out of 20.
They went on the floor.
If it's too good to be true,
Not bad. And I'll half this because I'm really good at halving. And this was 25 pence, so really cheap.
you'll be amazed how many people don't take
My big brother looking at this because he really likes Milky Bars.
be suspicious.
Give him
So
some.
many people, they
Do you want to see?
lots of money on an email, they say, oh, I've got a million pounds.
The farmer with no feet now because I gave my baby brother a seat. He's have little boots, but
She actually thinks it is personally for her.
for the head of the body. Right. Okay. So I'm going to take my head. Yeah.
There's one thing you can be
1,
sure
2,
of.
3.
They're going to ask your details. Very rarely.
I love the whole thing in my mouth.
Genuine organisations of people ask you for stuff over the phone, like bank details, your address. It doesn't happen, so don't ever give that information away.
But dude, my bank is not.
Baba. Oh yeah? I was going to say never ever do a lucky dip because
The bank will only ever ask you for 3 digits of your security number.
and on a
No
biscuit.
golden. Right. Now supposed to be careful. Now, my first
So I'm gonna go and get something in the package. I'm gonna get something in my package.
almost certainly going through a scam. It just doesn't happen. Yeah. So be suspicious.
Okay, so I try to have a picture So first we're gonna try this again.
You know, I've heard so many scams. Yes, I am.
It's
I've
blue
heard so many
bright.
horrible stories. I was on the show last week. I've had some lovely emails from people saying, thank you so much. I've avoided a scam because of what you told me.
Well, I'm gonna try well, the Milky Bar, I think 12 out of 20. Yeah, and for this one, I think probably about 5. And for the blue Warner biscuit, I think 0. I think 5. I think 5 for the blue biscuit. I want to get the flavour out of my mouth. Same.
And it's like, yes, you are the person who I need to speak to. Now, I'm very sorry, Mr. Smith, but you've arrested someone and found your personal details on their persons. Like, shock horror. Yeah. Now you're really worried. Yeah. I'd be worried. I'm a barrister. I've dealt with the police as a professional, but I'd still fall for this scam. Yeah. So what happens? You start giving them the accounts they want. And guess what they
Oh, I'll show you that. Wait, it's blackjack. It's blackjack. Yeah, and that's what they look like. Yeah, they're like licorice. One. That is licorice. I love licorice. I didn't like it. First time I tried licorice was doing a licorice challenge. I fell in love with it.
And obviously need to check their identity when they come to the house as well. But never ever give me personal details of the person.
Never get details.
Okay, good to know.
Now the next big scam, this is an interesting one. Delivery cards. How many times have you ordered something online, card comes along,
I love caramel.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
So you order it online, you have this card. Now, this is a new scam. The card comes in the post. Oh my God, I've missed it.
I won't just say that. I think my favourite so far was they've all gone. Okay, my favourite. No, that was our favourite. Remember, you gave me 12 and gave me 10. I give these jelly beans 20 actually. Yeah. No, the Coke jelly beans 20. I had all of them. I don't like these. Yeah. Well, it was a blueberry. I haven't tried for that. It's like toothpaste. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will. I'm going to do my lucky dip. No, we're going to have part 2. Stay tuned for part 2, where we have. And some other stuff. Bye!